Welcome everyone. Each day there's opportunity to make good trade. However, we have to know when we get in and when we get out because the market is still in bearish momentum. So if you buy any stock and you're still holding, you lose all the profit that you made in the day or even 1 week. So here we're gonna talk about where you enter, where you exit, the hot spot where the market maker will buy with profit before the short seller will come, because the short seller always coming each day for each stock that jump 50% or 100%. We have to be careful. So let's discuss first off on our list is FSRD went 100% as we expected today when we talked about in watch list for today, when we said the breakout zone for this stock is around the 16 cents. When we overcome this level, yes, we're gonna go toward the 20 cent and beyond. And that's what happened. The market opened and we got this huge candle opened. Even let me just go in 1 minute candle. You see it, 1 minute candle broke our resistance and hold above it. Above what? The 16 cent. So here it was game on, went just a few minutes toward our profit taken around the 20 cent. Yeah, we did just 25% in span a few minutes, and then guess what? We still holding above this current support, the 20 cents. So what's the game plan? Where are we gonna go? Of course, if we continue to hold this AMA, you see this bounce above this blue line, this our AMA. If we held above this current support now above the 20 cent, is mean this stock is not finished yet, and we're gonna go toward the second profit taking around the 27 cents. And from my opinion, the next squeeze for this stock, if we overcome the 35 resistant area. This will take some time. We might go there in the next week. So we're gonna do updates. So hit the notification and the like button so you never miss any of my future updates for this stock. Next up on our list is mmat. Oh, before we go to mmat, we have to discuss the potential drop down for this stock, because if we don't hold the 20 cent, there is a huge potential that the short seller will short this stock at least until the 18 cent. We're gonna see a big buying pressure here, testing the 20 cent and continue to go down. So we don't want to see this price action. We need to hold the 20 cent. Next up, as we said, mmat. The price continued to go down. You know why? Because if we go back and see the chart analysis that we did yesterday, I think, yeah, we said we should take our profit around the $1.98. Of course, we did it pre-market before the market opened, and the market opened and we went exactly around the $1.98 and got rejected. Today we tried to overcome the $1.98 even pre-market, and guess what? The short seller shorted MAT and went down. So that's why we suggest always take your profit. And we got a really great question from our hunter on Patreon regarding where we enter and where we exit. So usually the new trader buy here in the middle. So why I don't buy in the middle? Okay, I'm gonna give you a really good example. So if you bought around this area, the $1.85, of course, and the price went down on you, is really hard to exit. You know why? Because the stop loss around the $1.64 is really wide, around 10%. That's why we suggest always buy nearing the support, the $1.64 here, or the breakout zone when we clear the $1.98 and we hold above the $2 will be good, because the stop loss should be really small, just 2%, not 8% or 10%. Because psychologically, when you have a loss over 10% or 15%, 20%, it's really hard to exit. I've been in this situation. I don't want this happen to you. So we have to build a strategy. Now, the MAT short sellers are heavily positioned around the $2. So the game plan, I don't buy now because we already got rejected. A lot of people took profit, and not just short sellers, people took profit here. That's why the price went down. So now we need to hold and confirm this is strong bottom. And how we know that? The most important thing, we don't want to have 1 hour candle closing below the $1.64, because this will be a weakness and the price will continue to go down at least around the $1.37 before we're gonna see another buying pressure. So here there's another swing trade we can actually do, buying around the $1.37, then selling around the $1.64. However, we're still holding off the $1.64, and this is a good indication for strength. Now we need to break the $2 in order to go to the $2.28. AMC got rejected around our resistance, the $8.16, where the short sellers are heavily positioned around the $8.16. That's why we went down. However, at the moment we filling the gap above the $7.20. That's why we see a huge buying pressure with this green candle around the $7.50, the volume around the 16 million. So this is really good, as mean there is a buying pressure and there's a volatility and many trader trading AMC. That's why the price is not breaking this support above the $7.20. As long as we hold above the $7.20 is mean a huge whale buying AMC and preventing AMC going toward the $6.30. Because now we want to make this our bottom, $7.20, and breaking, of course, the $8.16 next time. So if we broke the $8.16 next time, this will be a game on to see maybe the $10 for this month, around the $9.85. So we have two profit taken after we clear the $8.16, which is the $8.90, then the $9. MULN, what's going on with this stock? Last time we discussed MULN, we said that 33 cents is our breakout zone. You see it here, we went around this area around the 8th of November. The price gave up and went down. And again, we went near it around the 11th of November and 14th of November, and the price gave up and went down. Now we still try to do double bottom around the 25 cents. So we got a bit of sell-off today, around 5%. What we should expect, should be our bottom above the 25 cents. If we continue to hold above the 25 cents, is mean there is a buying pressure happening from below, and the next time we overcome the 33 cents is mean there is a potential for squeeze and going toward the two profit taking 36 and then the 40 cents for MULN. Watch out for this price action because this is it for MULN. If we broke the 25 cents, is mean we're gonna have the lower price for this year around the 21 cents. If we held, is mean accumulation and breaking the 33 cents the next time. PHUN broke our support. We got huge requests for this stock because you see what happened here before the earning. We went crazy, almost 50% up, and we almost have the breakout and the squeeze around the $1.66, but the price got rejected around this area. You see, then the price went down again. I don't like this. The big short open for today for PHUN I don't like, and as well breaking this support weakness for PHUN. Now we have to watch out for this price action at the breakout zone around the $1.66. This would be a good indication for strength to go toward the $1.88 and then the $2.37. Which stock you think will squeeze? Are we gonna have another pump for PEGY for the next days? Because now we have just a signal for pump. We're gonna do update for the coming days for PEGY and the other stocks on our list that have potential to squeeze. So hit the notification and like button so you never miss any of my future update, and see you in the next video.